Alright, these will be one set of elevators at the Las Vegas McCarran Airport. This is a Galaxy S8 take of these elevators. I love this airport a lot. This is such a fun airport. I know all you elevator photographers know that. So we're gonna go to 0. It's a Kone elevator. And let's look out the window.
Third floor. Going down. Second floor. Going down.
This airport is always busy no matter what time of day you come. We're gonna go back up now. Let's go back to 6. And this time we're gonna look at the door.
Sixth floor.
We're gonna get off at level 2 because this is employee parking here, I think. So let's get off at level 2 and let's look out the window again. What a retro looking terminal. Let's get off here.
Going down.
Like I said, you don't listen to shit. Just talk. You didn't know, I didn't know.